Hello friend, in this video I want to show you how to do traffic light using Arduino and LED. Now let me see traffic light road. There are two ways of road and we can say the direction W, E and E to W are the same. This traffic light and this traffic light are the same. When it turns red, this red too. And this one yellow and this yellow too, and green, this one green too. About direction S to N and N to S are the same. When it's red, this one red too, and this one green and this one green too, and yellow the same. Now we can say when this one turn green and the cat can access this route and this W to E, E to W was blocked. And when this one the block car when turn red block car and this one red and the car can drive this way. And the yellow is just alert. We can take 3 seconds by the country. Okay, now we can connect with this diagram. I use pin 13, 12 and 11 by this way and the opposite way. I don't connect by I just connect two direction. Actually the opposite route are the same. Now we can say I can say that I connect I use this one and this one by two different route. Okay, I connect 13 to the green LED and 12 the yellow LED and 11 the red LED. Now, after we can connect the negative pin and after one other pin, the negative pin we connect to less than 20 sorry 20 220. All the resistors are the same, 220 ohm. Okay, this one we connect the the green LED use pin number 3 and the yellow use pin number 2. This one green, this one red. The red LED use pin number 1. Okay, we can write program here and this is like the code. Now this code we need to declare. We need to declare pin 13, 12 and 11, 3, 2, 1. We need to declare the pin mode of output. We need to output voltage to turn on LED. This is LED. Okay, we need green 2 LED, yellow 2 LED, and red 2 LED. Now we declare mode pin mode to output. Okay, we use condition to control this LED. Firstly, we need to this direction to green, turn green to allow car can access the road. And this direction need to block, so we have to turn on red. This one green, this one red. So the green LED I connect to pin 13. This one we set true number 1, and the red LED this direction I connect to number 1. So the number 1 true uh, number 1 it turn on, this one turn on, and this one we need to give this low fail, it can turn on. Let I don't want to say it's connect to the connection. When the program run this part, it's when turn back to run again, and we need to set it out early. Now we can say this two LED turn on, and we delay to 10,000. 10,000 millisecond is equal 10 seconds. Okay, after it finish our green and this red, so we go to next condition. Next condition, we give the yellow LED turn on with 3 seconds, and the green LED need to turn out. Have to turn out. So the pin out LED pin 13 be give it fair 0, it will turn out and turn on the LED yellow LED is in connect with pin 12 this one, so we give it true, it will turn on LED, and we delay with 3 seconds. 3 seconds equal 3,000. Okay, then next condition will give go to red. This road will block the car, and this one turn green to allow the car can access road. Okay, so we close turn out this LED, turn out this LED and turn on red LED. So the pin number 11 we it set it true equal 1, and this one turn green, the pin number 3 green LED pin number 3 it turn red, it true, but the pin as yellow LED will turn out it I said it failed. So not true. Zero. It turned out LED, and this one will turn out 2, and this one turn on. So number 1 pin red LED I connect with uh, pin number one I set it fair to 0, it dark get turn out LED. So next condition it will turn this LED alert warning 3 minutes, will this LED will turn on, and the the, the green LED will turn out. So um, so we switch LED, green LED, pin number 3, 0, and yellow LED with true set number 1. Okay, when it's finished, we go back run again in loop when this finish accessing the road, so it turn red will block, and this one turn green LED, the car can access road. So when we run in this part, we need to turn out the LED, green LED. We need to set pin green LED in pin in yellow LED. We need it turn out and turn on the the red LED and turn out the yellow LED. And one more, the red LED we also turn out too. We set it for 0, and the red LED, green LED turn on pin 13, and the red LED of this direction also turn on. Okay, the program that's all only this, and we can start the simulation. Now the green LED turn on for 10 seconds, and this one red 10 second too. After finish, it turn this one the yellow LED with 3 second, and then it switch to the red LED, and this one turn to the green LED. Okay, the traffic light we work like this, and the green, the car can accessing road with this direction, and this one block and warning string not, then this one turn right block the car, and this one green can the car can access this road direction and warning with 3 minutes sound, and it run again and again forever our traffic light. Okay, thank you for watching this video.